Hello guys, welcome back. Miguel Cortez with another video. I'm working on a 2004 F350 with the 5.4 Triton engine. As you can see, I have removed the passenger side valve cover. The issue we were experiencing was a ticking noise, and we thought that it was a valve spring or rocker, but we just inspect all those. It's fine. So what we found, it's the timing chain guide. I believe I got it right. So what I'm going to show you, I'm going to go ahead and start the engine, and I'm going to pick up the chain guide a few moments so that you can see, hopefully you can catch the difference from the ticking noise and when it quits. So hang on. Alright, so you can tell the difference right away when I pick the guide. I'm going to release it. You can see the big difference on the sound. Alright, I hope you catch the time when I pick up the chain guide and apply more pressure to the chain, and the ticking noise went away by 75%. So at this time I'm more than sure that we need to do the whole front end. We'll get new tensioners, guides, chain, and whatever we need to do to get this going. I mean, we know it has a lot of mileage, but it's been a good truck. So I hope this help someone out there, and leave any comments. Excuse my English. I'm just trying to do my best. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe to the channel.